a bright spring day, I began my journey to Panjshir, one of Afghanistan's most stunning and iconic valleys. With my GoPro in hand, I set out to document the peaceful beauty of its roads, rivers, and mountains.
Panjshir.
We are going to Panjshir.
For sightseeing.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do there?
For fun, we are going and play.
And are we going to cook?
Yeah, we are going to cook.
When did you come to Afghanistan?
Yesterday.
For what?
Just for seeing my grandfather and my family. And
Okay.
for fun.
And for going to Panjshir.
Yeah. Yeah, and for going to
Who did you
Panjshir.
come with?
Huh?
Who did you come with?
My father and my mom.
Okay. And
And no one else.
how was the weather in Dubai?
Good, hot. Hot, but hot, so much.
It's hotter than Kabul.
Yeah.
And
Nothing else is.
what do you do in Dubai?
In Dubai, I just go to school and do my homeworks and play.
Okay. When do you go back to?
After 2 months.
You're going to stay here for 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Until your vacation finish.
Yeah. This is my vacation.
Summer vacation.
Yeah. This is summer vacation.
Yeah, it's summer vacation.
Yeah, this is summer vacation.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Thanks.
The road to Panjshir runs alongside a raw river, lined by green hills and rocky cliffs. Every turn along the way opens up a new, breathtaking view.
Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing well. We are in Panjshir province, Panjshir Valley, and Paryan district. It's a beautiful day and very nice weather. You can see the nature everywhere is green. There is also the river, and the wind is flowing. We are enjoying this weather, and also we're going to cook. Soup. Okay, you can talk.
Yes, how are you guys? It's a beautiful day. We are in Qarqa and
Oh, in Panjshir.
yeah, we are in Panjshir. It's a beautiful day.
Okay, what are you gonna do there?
Cook and for just cook.
And enjoy the beautiful nature.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now you can see we are cooking.
We reached the district of Paryan and found a beautiful spot beside the river. There we laid out a carpet on the land, ready to rest and enjoy nature. This is Paryan district in Panjshir Valley. As you can see, the beauty of Panjshir and the white nature. Everyone can enjoy this place. And also now it's the 3rd of spring, the 3rd month of spring. And everywhere the weather is so hot, but in Panjshir province it's different. The weather is so nice. It's not so hot and also it's not so cold. And this is the canal, the river. Clean water, fresh water. And this is my friend, is capturing photo. We're going to cook Shorba, Afghani food, Afghan traditional food. Shorba, or in English we can say soup, some kind of soup. We can eat it with breathe. It was time to cook. We decided to prepare shorba, a traditional Afghan meat soup that warms the body and soul. First, we chopped onions and fresh tomatoes. We heated a large pot over the fire and added the onions and tomatoes, letting them soften and release their flavor. Then we washed chunks of lamb meat and placed them into a pressure cooker to steam. For nearly an hour, the meat simmered with the vegetables and spices, slowly turning into a rich, hearty broth. When it was ready, the aroma filled the valley.
Ya que cacholi da zuba tab şura. Saray da laka. Yine.
There is something special about eating by the river, surrounded by friends and nature. The sound of the flowing water, the warmth of the meal, and the mountain's air made everything more memorable. After lunch, we wandered along the river bank. We took photos, escaped stones across the water, and soaked in the peacefulness of Panjshir. It was a day to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with the soul of this land. Panjshir is not only known for its historical courage, it's a place of incredible nature beauty and kind-hearted people. This journey reminded me of the simple joys of travel, good food, good company, and the serenity of nature. This was a day I'll always remember, and I hope through this vlog you too can feel a bit of the peace and wonder that lives in these valleys.